Hi, this is Katura with BlueNotary, and today we're going to be looking at how your signers can add documents to the session if you don't already have the document as a notary. Now, there are a couple of ways that they can add their document to the session for you. So first, we're going to look at a signer initiating a session with you using your BlueNotary My Session link. So to get to our My Session link, we're going to go to our settings and we're going to scroll down to our schedule settings. And here is our My Session link. Now, when we click this, it copies to our clipboard so that we can put this link anywhere we want people to sign up to do a notary session with us directly. Now I'm going to open this in an incognito link so that we can go through what it looks like to our signers. I'm going to paste my session link in the search tab here and press enter. Now when our signers go to our My Session link, they do need to create a profile before they can schedule a session with us. So let's enter those details. And now we've entered those details, let's sign up as a signer. So now as a signer, I can go here to upload the document and schedule when I want to meet the notary whose My Session link that I used. So that's one way our signers can add their document to a session if we don't have it. Let's look at the other way. So here we are back at our home page as a notary, and let's start a new session. We want to go to remote online notarization. We don't have the document, so let's skip that and let's start putting in the name of our signer. And once we put in our signer's information, we're going to leave the document portion empty and we're going to go to send invitation. And the session is being created without a document. So what will it look like for our signers when they click on the invitation to join the session? Let's take a look. So here I am as a test signer. I'm being invited to a session and I'm going to open this button in an incognito window so we can see how it looks to them. So here we are as the signer joining the session. Let's go through these personal details. And here we can see that there is no document found for this session. And as a signer, I can add or edit files of the session. So let me do that. And let's do this document. And I'm going to press save. And here as the signer, I've added my document to my notary session. So I hope this helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow our channel for more online notary content.